Hello friends, this is Mahita. Welcome to Smart Education in Your Hands. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the important facts about Asia with smart tricks to remember. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Okay, let's start our video. See, this is the border between Asia and Europe, and between Asia and Europe there are Ural mountains present. This Ural mountains separate both European Russia and Asian Russia also. I will show you the border of Russia, and this is Russia. Russia shares 40% of its land with Europe and 60% with Asia. Okay, and see here on the globe, Asia is located on the northeastern hemisphere. Do you know the directions, right? These are the right directions: north, south, east, west, and Asia is located in the northeastern hemisphere. Not entirely, but majorly, because there is one country which is located in the southern hemisphere also, that is Indonesia. Okay, now we will see some important facts about Asia. Asia is the largest continent of our planet, both in size and in population also. Asia is the largest continent in both size and in population also. Okay, the Asian continent includes 48 countries that are members of United Nations. Indeed, Asia is having 50 countries, but according to United Nations, there are only 48 countries present in Asia. Why so? And what about the two countries? I will explain you. These two countries are Palestine and Taiwan. These two countries are not considered as countries by United Nations. Why? Because they are very small in area. So they are not specify their significance as a country. So United Nations does not consider these countries as countries. Okay, and the continent is mainly located in the eastern and northern hemisphere, northeastern hemisphere. Two of the Asian countries also share a part with the territory on the European countries. They are Russia and Turkey. We have seen the map, right? Russia shares their land with both Europe and Asia. Likewise, Turkey also shares their land with both Europe and Asia. There are more than 4.4 billion people live on the continent of Asia. So it is most populous continent on the earth. And what is the largest country? Russia is largest country by area, whereas China is the largest country by population. Okay, Russia by area, whereas China by population. And see, what is the largest city in what is the largest city in Asia? City T. Tokyo. Tokyo is the largest city. Where is Tokyo located? In Japan. Smallest country, and smallest smallest country is Maldives. Remember like this: M, Maldives. Small, Maldives. Smallest country, Maldives, whereas largest city, Tokyo. Next, important facts about Asia. Biggest island is Borneo. Bonvita. Do you know Bonvita, right? Don't laugh, okay? Borneo is the biggest island. Um, okay, Borneo, biggest island. Bonvita. Remember like this: Bonvita, Borneo. And longest river is Yangtze River. Yangtze River is the longest river on the Asia, which is in China, and which is the third longest river in the world after Nile and Amazon. Okay. Nile is the longest river in the world, right? And biggest lake. Biggest lake is Caspian Sea. And if you are an electrical student, then you know about LC filters, right? LC, Lake Caspian. Lake Caspian Sea. Biggest lake. And okay, let's mount. Highest mountains. Highest mountains is Mount Everest. We know that Mount Everest is lies between in Nepal and Tibet regions, okay, with the height of 8,849 meters. Driest place is Gobi Desert. Do you know Gobi Manchuria, right? Gobi Manchuria is dry. Driest place is Gobi Desert. The driest place in Asia is Gobi Desert, which is cold desert. Desert, sorry, and largest in Asia and fifth largest in the world. There are 12 landlocked countries present in Asia. Landlocked means that those countries do not have access to any ocean. I will show you some countries with map. Okay, see, this is the Asia map, and see here Mongolia, Bhutan, Nepal, and some countries which does not have any access to ocean. Those countries are called landlocked countries. There are 12 such countries present in Asia. Religion. Religion in Asia is Islam, Hindu, Buddhism, Taoism, and Jainism, etc. And there are many religions which are originated in Asia also, like Islam, Buddhism, Jainism. They are located or they are originated in Asia. Okay, biggest cities. Biggest cities are present in China with more than 1 million inhabitants. See here, China, Shanghai is having 26 million inhabitants. Where next, the Pakistan, Karachi city is having 24 million people. And then India, Delhi with 22 million inhabitants. And then Bangladesh, Dhaka is having 19 million. Then Turkey. Turkey, Istanbul is having 14 million people inhabitants. Okay. Main natural resources, yes, of course, Asia is having tin, coal, aluminium, gold, iron ore, etc. And the Arab countries is the world's largest deposits of natural gas and fossil fuels, whereas Saudi Arabia is the example for world's largest oil producer. And another interesting fact is Bhutan in the Himalayas produce most of the renewable energy through hydropower and wind power also. Okay, did you know the only country in Asia that is located entirely in southern hemisphere is Indonesia? And we saw the globe, right? Indonesia, which is located in southern hemisphere, which is the only country which is located in southern hemisphere. Okay, Asia is also home to many endangered animals, such as or orangutan in Borneo. Borneo, what is Borneo? Borneo, Bonvita, biggest island is Borneo. And the Dugong, that means Chinese river dolphin, is also present in Asia. And this is the Asia map. We will discuss about the countries which are present in Asia in further videos also. Okay. Mm, and Asia is having sub-regions also, like North Asia and South Asia, West Asia, East Asia, Central Asia, Southeast Asia. And remember, there are one country present in North Asia, that is Russia. North Asia is having only one country, that is Russia. Then South Asia is having 8 countries. What are the 8 countries? The countries like India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Nepal, Maldives. These are the 8 countries. We will discuss about it later, okay, in further classes. And West Asia, see, West Asia is very small. It seems like very small, but there are 20 countries present in West Asia. And the Central Asia is having 5 countries. East Asia is having 5 countries, whereas Southeast Asia is having 11 countries. Total, there are 50 countries. but according to UN, United Nations, there are 48 countries present. Okay, I will show you Taiwan and Palestine. Taiwan, this is Taiwan, which is under the control of Chinese Republic according to United Nations, but it is having their self government. Okay, Taiwan, this is the Taiwan. Okay, and Palestine is located in West Asia, and here it is very small part, very small country. Okay, so they are not considered as countries by United Nations. And if you see, I have told you, right, there are in West Asia there are 20 countries, Central Asia 5 countries similarly, and this is the major cities in Asia. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more interesting videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss any single video from my channel. Thanks for watching.